With the sounds of Messi, Messi, that's what it is. And Uppal Stadium here has lit up with the arrival of these three superstars.
We can see the legends, the GOAT. We can hear the heartbeat of Hyderabad just got louder. Listen to that rhythm from the crowd. That is the sound of the Deccan. We can see on the screen the GOAT, the legend, Messi, Rodrigo Paul, and with him, the Luis Suarez also. See the sound, the roaring from the stands.
Yeah, Rodriguez and Flores always accompany Leo wherever he travels, wherever he goes in, as Lionel Messi. Now that is something that we were all witnessing for. That is something that you just can't take your eyes away. Right here in Uppal Stadium of the RGI International Stadium, right here in Uppal, Hyderabad. This is a phenomenal moment. Leo himself being right here, and the game is on. I'm sure the game is on right here as the friendly match, of course, as RR9 lead this 1-0. But right here from the commentary box as well, we also are feeling that kind of excitement from the box, and also as the legend himself. And I'll tell you what, he's just called the GOAT for all the reasons, for most reasons, because he's gone out there and made sure the world actually celebrates the way he plays out. And I was mentioning about, of course, Ronaldo. He's been there 10 years elder to Messi as well, but Ronaldo was an inspiration to Messi. That's exactly what it is. Messi saw him play, and of course the love actually exchanged by the Brazilian superstar as well, calling Messi the best ever forward that he's witnessed. Man, imagine, he himself is a legend as Ronaldo, but a legend calling our GOAT another big legend. That's the biggest prize what this man has achieved, I guess, in his life. Yeah,
the world-class legends are here on the ground of Hyderabad. The crowd is literally waiting for Messi to join the team. A little meetup happening there inside the stadium.
I guess we'll just concentrate something right here. This is the first time that we are seeing that Messi 11 has actually crossed over from the halfway mark towards the RR9's goal post. Yeah, probably Messi arriving, supporting psychologically Messi 11 as well, Messi All-Stars as well. That's also a probability, because that's the first time that we saw that the halfway mark was actually penetrated. Another chance here for RR9. The goalkeeper now just gets up in a big awakening, keeps the ball down.
The atmosphere is heavy with magic, Naveen. What a spectacle tonight is going to happen after witnessing the legend, the magical man, the god of football, Messi. In a short while is going to join the team with the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy.
Yeah, sure, he should come in as soon as the cues are on, for sure, for him to walk in, and then you can witness this packed house even more thunderously, making sure that the roof is going to come down. That's the noise that's going to be definitely coming out. Once again, RR9, a nice straight shoot at the goalpost, goes wide away. Somewhere a nice little relief there for the goalkeeper. Well, that is a clear shot that he could have actually passed in instead of going for the straight post. So there you see the left flank, the right flank. The player was asking for the pass. He could have gone in. The right pass could have come in from the right flank towards the goal post, but that did not happen. And that is why, now we were talking of Messi as well, isn't it, as a left footy. That's where from the right flank he was so important. And there he is. That's the man we were talking about. And from the right flank, we say he waves his right hand to this marvelous crowd as well. Because every time you go out there as a left footy trying into the goal post from the right flank, it is examples that's been said. There we go. Can the GOAT join in? He's waiting there in the dugout. He's waiting there to run in. As Leo Messi comes in here to this wonderful RGI Uppal Stadium. It is resonating with Messi, Messi. Everybody goes out there as he makes his way in. Phenomenal time here in the GOAT Tour 2025, and I'm Navin Shaurya alongside with Swarnalata right here, witnessing history in the making as well. This is such a proud moment for everybody as a fan, as a big supporter of the game. May it be any sport, fitness support, that is so real, that is so nice as he shakes hands first of course with Messi All-Stars 11, and then the officials Khalil and the players will all be nice. And there is Revanth Reddy, the man who scored the 4th goal. The signing of the ball happens as Revanth Reddy and Lionel Messi share a nice camaraderie as well as footballers, both of them. That is a phenomenal sight at the RGI grounds in Uppal, Hyderabad. Swarna.
See the happy faces with all the kids, with all the officials, especially Revanth Reddy, and not lesser than the Messi, the legend, the GOAT. The ball with him. See the audience cheering up, Messi, Messi. What a fantastic moment it was.
Oh, right. Now comes the most awaited and the diamond moment here. Yeah, the ball with Messi. Oh, the pass was far enough. The pass was far enough to beat the GOAT right there. The ultimate moment for everybody is right here.
A historic exchange between the Chief Minister and the legend. What a moment it was, Navin.
And also, more importantly, I'm sure Messi knows that Revanth Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revanth Reddy and everybody going out there and making sure that the fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. But I'll tell you what, we also need to, highlight the other superstars have also been joining in with the legend, with GOAT India tour that's happening as well. So thanks to them. But more importantly, the sport is going to grow from here. Everybody will take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goalpost was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt. The adrenaline rush. The excitement as that are straight shot. Yes, it is. The left foot comes out. We saw the 3rd goal also from Messi All-Stars. His forward striker coming out with the left foot. And there was that easy left foot goal that we saw.
Yes, we have seen the Inter Miami setting their rhythm. And yes, they are going for a group pick.
Yeah, that's a moment, isn't it? That's a moment. And look at this. As the GOAT, as the legend himself, he's squatting down. He's squatting there, and so is Revanth Reddy. That is sports. It teaches you to be humble. It teaches you to be, inclusive.